Hey, I'm Devin.
And I'm Aaron.
Recently, there's been a huge rise in boba milk tea consumption. Now, boba milk tea isn't new. In fact, I've been drinking it ever since I was 3. However, at most boba tea shops, drinks can cost upwards of $4 or more. That's insane. Do you know how much it costs to produce just 1 cup of boba? About half a dollar. So, why does a cup of boba cost this much? Well, the short answer is rent and labor. Especially in the Bay Area, rent can cut into a significant portion of a boba tea shop's revenue. Not only that, but it can take up to 5 or more employees to handle the traffic of a typical boba tea shop. These factors culminate into an extraordinarily high margin product.
Which is why we decided to make Lego Boba Fett. Like Boba Fett from Star Wars. Lego Boba Fett is an automated boba barista built with Legos. Using Alexa voice recognition and Alexa Gadgets toolkit, Boba Fett is able to queue up and save multiple orders using Alexa's persistent attributes database. Not only that, it can accept voice purchasing and email you with a receipt in a store setting. And in a personal setting, Boba Fett can recognize your voice to remove any confusion over whose drink it is. And to top it all off, Boba Fett is able to deliver your drink in under 30 seconds. Now, without further ado, here's Boba Fett in action.
Alexa, open Boba Maker.
I'm Boba Fett. What's your order?
Classic milk tea with 5% sugar and 5% ice.
Okay, Devin. 1 classic milk tea with 5% sweetness and 5% ice coming right up. Please insert a cup. Dispensing boba for 10 cycles. Pouring classic milk tea for 10 seconds. Hello, your classic milk tea with 5% sugar and 5% ice is finished.
Alexa, open Boba Maker.
I'm Boba Fett. What's your order?
Jasmine milk tea with 10% sugar and 10% ice.
Boba tea is $3 plus tax. Would you like to buy it?
Yes.
Great. Your order is complete and I've emailed you a receipt. Please insert a cup. A jasmine milk tea with 10% sweetness and 10% ice has been added to the queue. See you again soon. Dispensing boba for 10 cycles. Pouring jasmine milk tea for 10 seconds. Hello, your jasmine milk tea with 10% sugar and 10% ice is finished. Please come pick it up.
Alexa, open Boba Maker.
I'm Boba Fett. What's your order?
Manual. Pour for 5 seconds.
For 5 seconds. Pouring jasmine milk tea for 5 seconds. Awaiting commands.
Boba test. Alexa, open Boba Maker.
I'm Boba Fett. What's your order?
Manual. Dispense for 5 cycles.
Dispense 5 cycles. Dispensing boba for 5 cycles. Awaiting commands.
Stop.
Goodbye.
We hope you enjoyed your first look into Boba Fett.
Over the coming months, we hope to improve our project dramatically, and we thank you so much for watching our video.
Thank you so much.